Welcome back to another Casual Friday. Today we're going to be putting together the 20-inch fat tire e-bike from Ecotric. Alright guys, looks like I'm going to need another smaller wrench to get that front fender on there, and that should pretty much do it. We've also got this rack to install as well. So I'm going to take this back to the house, install those, and we'll catch you in a couple days with a review of this bad boy.